Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit screenshot in Uizard in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Uizard. In the search results, click on the link for the screenshot scanner. Once you're on the page, click Sign Up for free. Enter your credentials and click the Create Account button. Then, verify your email. Follow the prompts, and complete the setup process. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Click Start from Screenshot. You can either import your own screenshot or use an example. Once uploaded, you'll get an easy-to-use interface where you can drag and drop elements to customize your design. You can also rearrange elements effortlessly using the same drag and drop method. After making the necessary changes, simply click Preview or Download to get your final result. And that's it. A simple and efficient way to edit screenshots in Uizard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.